Hi everyone, Misilla here, Learn to Grow. I hope that you're having a great day. Today we're going to talk about soil and plant health. And we all know that fertile soil will produce healthy and productive plants. I'm so excited to tell you about VermisTerra Vitality. I've been using it for the past few months and the results are quite amazing, and I think you'll be astonished too. I noticed how quickly our plants grew and how robust they were. Even during a couple of heat waves this summer, they performed well. Some of these plants include pumpkins and summer squashes, leafy greens such as collards, kale, lettuce, Swiss chard, as well as tomatoes and flowers. Now let me tell you about Vitality. Vitality is made from superfine worm casting extract. It is an excellent source of micronutrients, plant prebiotics, and trace minerals. Vitality boosts health and vigor in all plants. Vitality aids in creating a healthy environment for in-ground plants, raised beds, containers, as well as indoor plants, and it is especially gentle for struggling or stressed plants. Vitality is water-soluble and has a high bioavailability, so it is quickly absorbed and utilized by plants. This increases plant function in photosynthesis, so plants can manufacture food more efficiently. Remember that healthy plants are more resilient, making them less susceptible to pests, disease, and abiotic stress, such as drought, extreme temperatures, whether it's too hot or too cold, as well as soil salinity, which can occur from overuse of synthetic and fossil fertilizers. When Vitality is applied, it works its way into the rhizosphere, which is the area around the plant roots. This is where all the microbial activity occurs. The microbes in the extract break down organic matter in soil, making nutrients available for plants to utilize. Vitality can be used in conjunction with nutrient tea, which provides additional beneficial microorganisms. The microbes retain nutrients and help detoxify soil of pollutants. Vitality is the purest form of worm castings VermisTerra offers, containing more beneficial bacteria and fungi than the premium-grade worm castings, which come in very fine granules. The standard worm castings have tiny pieces of organic matter that add structure to soil. Make sure to shake the bottle first before using Vitality, as mixture will settle and will need to be agitated. Different rates can be used to keep plants healthy, boost growth, or in place of worm castings. The application guide shows the ratios for healthy rate, boost rate, and supercharge rate. Just add water and feed into soil. Add a little more during the first feed. If it is very humid or if the soil is moist, just add 5 to 10 drops per plant about once a month. When you use Vitality, you can avoid getting your hands dirty. Simply pour the extract over soil, rocks, or moss for bonsai and indoor plants. The Vitality is not meant as a foliar spray, as it can leave residue on leaves and flowers of plants. One 16-ounce of Vitality has the power of 30 pounds of worm castings. That's 3 10-pound bags of worm castings. Vitality is more cost and space-saving. Vitality is odor-free, all-natural, safe for pets, children, wildlife, and pollinators. It is very gentle and safe to use with every watering, and has no risk of burning your plants. Vitality has all the benefits of worm castings in a concentrated form without getting your hands dirty. Vitality is great for plants that need a boost and has long-term benefits. The longer you use it, the more your soil will transform and increase fertility. Over time, as your soil improves, you won't have to use it as often. Vitality is great for all types of plants. It contains essential nutrients and beneficial microorganisms for vegetable crops, fruiting trees and canes, herbs, flowers, and ornamental plants. Vitality is also great for houseplants, plants grown in hydroponic systems, aquariums, as well as microgreens. To learn more about Vitality and other natural, safe, and eco-friendly soil amendments, make sure to visit VermisTerra.com. I hope that you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for joining me today. Happy gardening!